Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about US dollar index and Euro USD. By the way, I made a Euro USD video yesterday, right? Where I said that Euro USD is going to go up because USD is going to get weaker. So let me show you. Let's get started here. So US dollar index chart. This is the chart I made on the 10th February that if we can stay below 1390, we're going to drop. I showed all of these charts that I'm going to show now in yesterday's video as well. And that video is on my channel and on the website as well. So you can watch that as record. So, and another chart that I made was the US dollar index was this. So this index, if I said that if we stay below 1390, we're going to drop below to 23% line, which will be 0926. Doing so, what will happen is that these four pair will go up and these three pairs will go down, right? I usually trade USD, UJ, CJ, I mean UJ and UC and Euro USD and Pound USD. Okay, I do not trade at all USD franc and NUSI USD and Aussie USD very few times, but Euro USD, Pound USD is the main one, right? So let me show you what happened to this. Also, I made the Euro USD chart, right, which was made on 10th. That this is what's going to happen, and I made the chart before when it was here. That's going to come down here too, the TL and then bounce, right? And I don't know if I have that chart open here. Yeah, I think, see, this is the one, right? On 13 January, I said we're going to drop here and then it will be bouncing. So on the 19th, it was here at the TL and it was bouncing. And I showed that in my video yesterday. Okay. So now, what happened? Let's go take a look. So this is the current chart of USD. US dollar index. You can see that the chart I made on the yesterday and how nicely it is dropping already, right? And the other version was this when I made on the 10th. It's gonna drop here, so it went up a little bit, then came down and start dropping here as well. So same thing, same chart, but I made those charts in different times, so I'm just showing you, right? And similarly, Euro USD, the chart was this that is going to be bouncing from here on the 10th. So currently, what happened? Let's go to current chart. This is USD. Oh, that's okay. Now, Euro USD current chart is weekly, is this. Do you see how nicely it went up? Now, what I was showing that how accurate the fib is, and then, what is happening on the 20-minute chart and all of that. So my 20-minute chart was this. When I made the chart yesterday, it was right here on the 19th. Right there. We were like 19, right? So that's where the chart was. And I said that this could look like wave 1, 2, and then it's going to go for wave 3 around 161%, which is coming in this area. And there was an SNL level. This is 0877, and the level was here 0879. So that's what I said. That is going for this thing as wave 3, right? So I'm going to take the entry, and then I said in my video that I have already opened a small long trade, right? Which was right here based on my 7-minute chart. What the heck is 7-minute chart? The 7-minute chart was this. So I had an entry here open already when I recorded the video. It was here, right? And then look what happened, straight up over there, and I closed here based on daily range, right? The daily range of this pair is very small, 66, and we did 77 yesterday. So I said, what the hell with it? It's not gonna go up more, so I'm gonna close it, right? So that the trade that I took, and then on the 20-minute, this retracement is on the 20-minute beautiful entry. Let me show it to you. This is the 20-minute right there. So I took entry here, and I just closed exactly where I said that it is going for 1.618. Here are the trades that I took. This is the 7-minute entry what I was talking about. This was a beautiful entry. Buy order right there. SL moved to break even plus, and I close here based on the daily range for 55. That was on the 20th. And this also, because the USD was getting weaker, so Euro USD and Pound USD both go in the same direction, right? So this was a 20-minute chart. Pound USD as well, it went up. And then you can see today, Pound USD again gave me the entry. This was the yesterday entry. This is today's entry, and for 60 pip, I closed it already. And then Euro USD, this is the second entry right there. My EA opened this up. You see this little arrow? Buy orders right there. And automatic, the trade was automatically and all the way there. Hit 161%. That's what I was showing yesterday, that how accurate the Fib and the Fibonacci levels and all of that patterns, basically, I was also showing you this pattern. Look at this. I made this chart a long time ago when we were here, and that was basically February 5th or 10th, maybe. Yeah. And look what happened. So this was, I was also showing that, see this harmonic pattern, right? Either we're going to go over there or not, that's not a question, but it was bouncing from here. That was the question, right? So this is the bouncing area, the Fibonacci level bouncing, very, very perfect, accurate area to bounce. And then if you pay attention, this is what happened, right? So very systematically, I made the video. So it's a lot of people say, sometimes that, yeah, it's after the fact. No, after the fact, it's not after the fact. You watch the video, that one, and I do that all the time. It's just that some people see it, some people not. So I clearly made the video that it's about the topic. The title of the video is also the EUR-USD, Elliott wave and harmonic pattern. So this was, I was talking about this harmonic pattern. So Elliott wave count. This is wave 1, A, B, and then this is again 1, 2, going for wave 3. It may go or may not all the way there. This is the technical, and then when the technical start to work, that's where we're supposed to make the entry. And then on the daily range, from here to here, maybe 1,000 pip or something, right? So yeah, 680 pip. It's not gonna go in one day, even if it is going there. So we have to close our trades on a daily basis, based on the daily range, which is for this pair 66 pips. So all you can do is on a daily basis take 40 pip, 50 pip, 55, 60 pip trade and close, and then wait for the retracement next day, and then it will repeat, rinse, repeat again and again and again and again, as long as it is keep going to the upside. So this is how it is. So like I said, that it is there already very nicely, and it went hit my target here. And as soon as it hit the target, I closed. These are the trades. You can see that this is where I close it. 0879, which I just showed you that where it is. It is 0879. So we bounced and we went there. Daily range is finished actually, right? So let me show you. Let's see, daily range is 66, right? Previous day 34, which was very bad, and see the current day range 74. So if the daily range is done, get out, run. That's what it is, right? So that's what I did. My entry was first was like day before yesterday, 19, right? So that day it did 77 daily range, right? Then yesterday, I closed that, and then I was waiting for the 20-minute entry. So I made that entry yesterday, and it didn't move. Only 34 p.m. the whole day. And then today, right after the red news, the 4 euro, right? It jumped and 74 current day. So daily range is done. I am done. Bye-bye. And I'm looking for some other pairs and some other entries now. All right. So this is how, if you learn to use this Fib properly, this is the expansion, and this usually the wave 3 comes to 161. Wave C usually gets stopped at 127. It's all of that, right? And by the way, this my previous video is right there on my website. This is the video I made, EUR-USD, Elliott wave and harmonic pattern yesterday, showing this chart and all of that. Now I can play with this one as well. Maybe you can hear it. Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this video about EUR-USD, basically, right? So I just wanted to show how Fib works and how accurate the moves are. So let's start it here. This is a chart. This is US dollar chart. Okay, this is it. So I don't want to show the whole video here, right? So this is the video, and it's all posted on the website and your YouTube channel. So that's exactly what I said that's going to happen. That's exactly what I did between yesterday and today. 100 pip yesterday to 100, more than 120 pip today, between EUR-USD and pound USD, based on this stupid chart. and harmonic patterns and Elliott wave count, mumbo jumbo. So if you want to learn all of that and become master, go on my website and sign up for one-on-one coaching, 10-hour course. I make you master of every single thing. Everything has to do with forex trading or any other trading, indices, and all that. By the way, like the trades, like indices and all of that, my system gives me entries like, for example, I'll show you today's entry, yesterday entry, the 21st. Watch this one. Look at that. It's beautiful entry here by the book. This was an entry from here, from 49.81 to 50. That was, I closed. It went up more, but I closed there, right? And then NASDAQ, look at that. Beautiful entry. And boom, from 175.85 to 177.36. It went up much, much higher, but I closed here. Right? Enough is enough. If it goes too much high or low, then it retraces, right? So take, your bread and butter and run. Right? That's what it is. That's my strategy. Yeah, so this system works with every single thing. This, gold, oil, stocks, and indices and forex pairs and all of that. Even Bitcoin, beautiful. I have a chart made for Bitcoin, what it is supposed to be doing. If I can show you maybe quickly, so that would be a good one. For example, yeah, this one. So this is what I think right now. This is Elliott wave count, 1, 2, 3, hit. Again, it's 161%, just like I just showed you EUR-USD, right? And after that, usually it makes the turn for wave 4, around 38%. So that's what I'm looking at. So this is the Bitcoin chart, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the week, trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for setups and trades like this. And, like yesterday. Yesterday, I had a time. I made the video and then I sent out to everyone, right? I posted on the website. But just take advantage of that, right? So this is it for now and talk to you guys later.